Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem to find the values of 2 to the power of 15 plus 2 to the power of 12 plus 2 to the power of 9 plus 2 to the power of 6 and plus 2 to the power of 3. In the first step, we write this equation as 2 to the power of 15 is 3 times 5, 3 times 5 plus this 12 is 3 times 4 and plus this 9 is 3 times 3 and plus this 6 3 times 2 and this is to the power of 3. And if we have a to the power of m times n is equal to a to the power of m bracket to the power of n. We can write this m times n like this, a to the power of m to the power of n. And here, to the power of 3 times 5 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 5. And also, this is 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 4. And here, 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. And here, 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2. And this is 2 to the power of 3. And it will be 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So 8 to the power of 5 plus 8 to the power of 4 plus 8 to the power of 3 plus 8 to the power of 2 and plus this 8. In the next step, we take these two parts together and these two parts together. And here, 8 to the power of 4 is common, so it will be 8 to the power of 4. This divided by this is 8, and this divided by this is 1. And here, 8 to the power of 2 is common, so it will be 8 to the power of 2. This divided by this is 8, and this divided by this is 1, and plus this 8. And it will be 8 to the power of 4 times 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 8 to the power of 2 times 9 and this 8. And here, this and this 9 is common. So we factor this 9 and this divided by this 8 to the power of 4 plus this divided by this 8 to the power of 2 plus 8. And here, 8 to the power of 4 plus 8 to the power of 2, 8 to the power of 2 is common, so we can factor this. So 9 times and factor this 8 to the power of 2. This divided by this is 8 to the power of 2. And plus 8 to the power of 2 divided by 8 to the power of 2 is 1. Plus 8. And it will be 9. 8 to the power of 2 is 64. 64. And 8 to the power of 2 is 64 plus 1 is 65. 65. And plus 8. And here, 64 times 65. So, 64 times 65. 5 times 4 is 20. 20. And 5 times 6 is 30. And 30 plus 2 is 32. And 6 times 4 is 24. Write 4 and 2 here. And 6 times 6 is 36. And 36 plus 2 is 38. 0 plus 0, 0. And this is 6. This is 1 here, and 4. So 64 times 65 is 4160. So it will be 9 times 4160 plus 8. And in the next step, we multiply this 9 in this number, so it will be 9 times 0 is 0, 9 times 6 is 54, write 4 and 5 here, and 9 times 1 is 9 plus this 5 is 14, 4 and 1 here, and 9 times 4 is 36 and plus 1, 37, plus this 8 and this is 7. So, and it will be 37,440 plus 8 is 37,448. And this is our final answer for this equation. So our answer is 37448. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.